Howdy folks, welcome back. It seems like since the launch of ChatGPT the term AI has been everywhere. Lately, I've been playing around with a bunch of AI and machine learning tools and wanted to share with you some that I found to be very beneficial. So coming up, I'll show you 5 AI tools that might be useful for you. And we're starting right now. If you want your tutorials for any of these coming up, let me know in the comments. First up is an AI tool from an amazing company called Runway. They had their very own AI creative suite that I predict could become a strong competitor to Adobe in the not too distant future. Adobe, you've been more. The most impressive of their tools from the research labs is a multimodal AI system that can take any image, video, text and turn it into a brand new video. What they call Gen 2 has just been released and it blew my mind more so than anything released from OpenAI, Microsoft and Google so far. Their text-to-video feature is light years better than anything else. You just put in your text, and it amazingly creates a video based on the text you enter. You've got to try this out. As many of you know, for developers, creating and making AI tools available is not cheap. Thankfully, Runway does have a free basic plan, but you're limited to 720p HD on any video exports. For additional features including exports of your videos up to 4K, they have clients that start at $12 per month. Nixshow is an AI website creator. That's great for those of you wanting to create a website but don't have any coding or design experience. It's a lot more advanced than Squarespace, Wix and the other website builders. How it works is that you get a brief description of the idea that you have, and using AI it'll build you an entire website that looks great on both desktop and mobile. Additional features include a free SSL certificate for your site, access to the stock photo library, the ability to embed video from YouTube and Vimeo, and you get unlimited storage for your site's content. Nixshow does have a free plan with limitations. You can't use a custom domain and the web pages will have the Nixshow branding. To remove their branding and use a custom domain along with additional features. They have plans that start at $9 per month. Wisdolia is a cool Chrome extension that can be used with any Chromium browser that will automatically create flashcards anywhere on the web using OpenAPIs. GPT-3, this is great for students, teachers or anybody else doing research needing help soaking in knowledge. Here's how it works. On any website, click there was Dolly icon to the right of the address bar. It'll create flashcards based on the information on that side. They'll show you about the questions and the answers and see if you're correct. After the flashcards have been generated, you can save them to Anki, which is a free and open source flashcards deck tool. This will be a quick one. Next up from the folks at DD is their chat AI product called ChatDD. I'm still torn whether this was really cool or just downright creepy. This free web app lets you talk face-to-face with ChatGPT using real-time face animation, without having to use your keyboard. You speak to it using your voice and the avatar response. Hopefully this app doesn't get misused by lonely people. I guess time will tell. NVIDIA, the well-known graphics card maker, has a new AI tool in beta called Canvas, selecting from the palette of materials you will find in real life. Its eye turns your painted works into realistic-looking landscapes. Once completed, you can import your creations into programs like Adobe Photoshop, Blender, and NVIDIA Omniverse USD Composer. At this time, Canvas is only available for Windows 10 or newer and only works with selected NVIDIA RTX GPUs. Microsoft recently made the announcement that they're bringing next-generation AI large learning models to their suite of Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others. They're calling it Microsoft 365 Copilot. It's not officially available yet, but it's currently in testing with select customers. It should be rolling out to all users in the summer of this year. SoundRaw is an AI music generator to help create royalty-free music for content creators. It's intended for those needing background music for YouTube podcasts, social media, or anything else. It's simple to use. You select your genre, length, and tempo to customize it how you want it. They do have a free plan, but to use any of your music creations in any commercial projects, they have plans that start at $16.99 per month. Thanks for watching. Links to the AI tools mentioned are in the description. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up. What are your favorite AI tools? Let us know about them in the comments. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest AI tools and other tech-related stuff here on Nafi and Tech.